Okay, hey guys. Today I'm going to be exposing another girl because I found out that this girl is also named Gianna and stuff, and like she got hacked by the same person that I did. She hacked my account when I used to be a noob. By the way, I'm not rude to noobs, and yeah. So this is the girl that I was hacked by. Her name is /mintcat/// and she said that she gave the account away because I messaged her other account, and she said that she gave it away. And the other girl said that she logged in and looked through, and she saw that I was hacked by her too, and scammed. So she wrote in her guest book. I'm going to do it too. I will show you the gifts that she made me give away. She made me give away a freaking rare animation, and like it's the blow kiss, and I was so angry. But if you guys want to know how I got my account back, this /mintcat/ was dumb enough not to like change the email. So my mom was at her email and stuff. Yeah, just don't look at those, cause yeah, that's Taylor. Yeah. We rare traded like a lot. And I gave her wish list like a lot. We traded Miss Goldies and diamond packs and rares, and yeah. This is when she first made her account. I gave her these because she like just started her account that day, and we did the drip top glitch, and yeah. But yeah, that's my old daughter, but she made a new account that's like way better. No offense to her, but like yeah. So yeah, she on this account she used to be a noob, but now she has VIP on the other one. One second. Like me and this girl have been messaging for about 5 minutes, and now we're like best friends. So yeah, I hope I can meet her in real life. Yeah, that's one thing that. This is also her other account, Nariza Kishi. Yeah, it's not that good. It's a more noobish account, so yeah. This is my ex-girlfriend. Yeah. I'm recording. Say hi. Also, guys, shout out to It's Gianna. Heart. Her name's Gianna too, and yay! So today is 4/16/2018. So they say hi back. Yeah. More rare trades. More. Yeah, this is my old boyfriend. Don't judge me. This is just a friend of mine. This was my ex-girlfriend's sister. I gave her wish list. I don't even know who that is. I mean, the other girl, but like, the bunny boy. I don't remember her. I actually don't. That was too. Oh no, never mind. Okay. Here it is. She made me take that. That's the blowfish animation that she made me. That is proof right there. That is freaking proof. right freaking there, in front of your screen, in front of your faces. I don't even know how to use Photoshop, so proof, all that stuff, all this stuff. And all this stuff. This was also rare. I used to love this. This is a freaking rare thing. OMG, thanks. Oh my god, I can't believe her. I just want to give her like so many shoutouts in like every freaking video. Oh my gosh! Like, hang out on MSP every day for a year, and then ask our parents if we can see each other. If she says yes, I'm gonna be so happy. OMG though. Like, OMG though. The frick? It's the same person. Who the frick is her? Who the frick is she? What? Scammer. Packer. Scammer. Packer. Scammer. Packer. I'm gonna spam her guest book. Yeah, another shout out to her. Oh my god, we're freaking best friends already in 2 minutes. This is fun. Okay. Yeah, this is her. She freaking hacked me. I tried to friend her. And I am going to freaking... Yeah, she obviously has not been on this account in so long because she got nothing but her. And I don't think that this girl is even like ever online. I don't think this girl... Yay, she lied. Yeah. Josh was like level 23 and level 24. Like, go away. Give me autos and greets and... Yeah, just please. And I will probably give you rares because I have a lot of duplicates of rares. So, why is this girl saying scam free? Why is she saying scam free? Bro, I'm messaging her. Oh crap, I clicked the wrong thing. At sun. Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus. But she's actually not even that cute though. Look at that nose. Ooh, no freckles. Ew. Those lips. I mean, I have those lips. Like, I have those lips in a different color. Not in a different color. In a different type. I have the same color, but I also have it in where you change your makeup thing, not in the store, but like the thing, yeah, the update, yeah. So yeah. Why is she saying scam free? Get on my Jesus. Ow, that hurt my knee. Today at school, I hurt my knee and now it's like gonna be bruised and it hurts so bad. Oh my Jesus. Okay, well anyway, that is it for this YouTube video. Like, subscribe, and comment. All nice things, I hope. Yeah. My name is Gianna, and yeah. Bye!